What type of technology solutions are you finding that are, that you like the most, that interest you the most, and are most interesting to the Arenson clients?
So something that we have is the ability to do test fits on the go kind of thing. So we can show the client, hey, this is how the space might look. Or let's move this here, let's move this there in a matter of seconds. And this is how the space might look. So that's one of the technologies that we have there, have a lot of track that the clients really like.
That's really, really cool. And, I've seen it in action, and it's incredibly neat. And again, it can be done on the fly. So if you're having this virtual meeting with a client where, let's say Arenson is located in New York, and this client could be anywhere, Los Angeles, Texas, even international, they can do live updates and really show what the office looks like. And I'm not sure 100%, but can't you even show out the window, what they see out the window? Yeah, exactly.
We can do all of that. Yeah.
Right. That's so cool.
Absolutely. And to add to your point, Jack, is that we're a furniture office company, but we like to create experiences.
Right.
So when we show something like that, when we involve a client and we help them develop a space, that person is going to have an experience. Something else that we've been researching and we've been really into lately is augmented reality.
Of course.
It's in the early stages, but as we say, we like to research everything. So that's something else that we've been researching here and there.
Yeah, certainly. And I agree with augmented reality being, the way of the future and is going to be a very practical solution to this new frontier of people working from anywhere, using augmented reality to meet. And even if we are in two different places, feel like we're there together.
Be sure to subscribe to our podcast at theadvancedgrp.com. That's theadvancedgrp.com.